Today, many farmers from Lapanggaon came towards Shillong to air their grievances to the government. After intense discussions which have happened with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in the presence of Chief Secretary Sir, Principal Secretary, IG Madam, IG Sir, as well as with SP Sir, and me, myself, and the representative from various student organizations, as well as the headman of Lapanggaon. Amongst the discussions, what the key points have come out based on the demands or the grievances of the people, that starting from tomorrow onwards, the deployment of the SFN would be deployed in addition to the existing forces which are there, though which are already equal in number. Second, we will be discussing at the highest level of the government through Deputy CM Sir and the CM Sir. The matter will be taken by today itself. At the district level, me as well as SP Sir will be going tomorrow on the field to ensure that the cultivation starts within the progress, and to ensure that the peace and everything is there. Also, in the upcoming days, the peace committee would be handling again. And with regard to the negotiations that have not happened so far, because the Assam government has been formed recently, and the chairman of the regional committee at the Assam side is yet to be decided. So by tomorrow onwards, once the negotiation gets happen, I believe and I firmly believe that the peace would be restored, and from our side, the cultivation would be happening and the grievances of the people would be aired out.
Our job is to ensure that the safety and security of our farmers is maintained at any cost. So we are working towards that. We will ensure you that let us go back to our village and start our farming from tomorrow.
Tomorrow, sir.
Yes, sir. So I would request all of you who are here that let us go back. You have already spent a lot of time here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And government has listened to all your demands. Necessary instructions have been issued to us. So I would request all of you to let us go back and start our work in field from tomorrow morning.